Getting signatures on employment contracts can be a pain, but it doesn't have to be. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'll show you the easiest and most efficient way to get those signatures fast without the hassle. Stick around to the end, and I'll give you an exclusive offer to try out the software we're using for free. First things first, if you're not using digital signatures yet, you're missing out. Gone are the days of chasing down people to print, sign, scan, and email back. With the right tools, getting signatures on employment contracts can be seamless, quick, and completely paperless. Now, you might be wondering which software to use. After testing out the top tools, I've found that the software we're using today is by far the easiest to navigate and the most reliable for getting those signatures quickly. You can follow along and see exactly how it works in this video. The first step is to upload your contract into the software. It's super simple. Just drag and drop the file or upload it directly from your computer or cloud storage. Once it's uploaded, you'll want to add the signature fields. This is where the magic happens. This software makes it as easy as clicking where you want the signatures to go. You can also add additional fields for initials, dates, and other required info. It's customizable to meet your exact needs. Next, you'll add the signers. You just enter their name and email address, and the software will send them a request to sign. One of the best things about this software is the automated reminders it sends out. If someone's dragging their feet, you don't have to keep sending reminders manually. The software does it for you, so you don't have to stress about follow-ups. Once the contract is signed, you'll get an email notification, and the signed document will be securely stored within the software. You can download it at any time or store it for future access. It's safe, fast, and super convenient. So, how does this compare to other software out there? While there are other tools that offer e-signatures, many of them are a lot more complicated or have hidden fees. The software we're using today provides everything you need in one place, and it's got a streamlined process that saves you time and effort. Before I wrap up, don't forget that I've got an exclusive free trial of the software we're using in the description below. If you want to try it out and follow along with the steps I showed you, be sure to grab that free trial. It's only available to viewers of this channel. So, what's the key takeaway? Getting signatures on employment contracts is faster and easier than ever with digital signature software. By uploading your document, adding signature fields, and sending it off to your signers, you can save hours of back and forth and make your contracting process way more efficient. To recap, upload the document, add the signature fields, send it off, and let the software handle the reminders and notifications. It's that simple. And remember, make sure you grab the exclusive free trial in the description below. Thanks for watching, and happy signing.